Hi, St. Paul. It's Pastor Mark, and the two things I got for you today are resuming our Sunday worship schedule and what's going on our Sundays in August. First is this: as we are moving to the month of August and our school year schedule, we resume our normal worship schedule, which is 8:30 a.m. traditional worship and 10:45 contemporary. That will continue through the school year. Then our discipleship hour, our Bible studies resume after Labor Day, but that's not to say there's nothing going on during the discipleship hour. In fact, here's what's going on 3 Sundays in August. On August 11th, we'll have a training session for resuming a lot of our Sunday morning leadership and helpers around the congregation. That includes training and coordination for the roles of communion assistant, scripture reader, usher, kind of Sunday morning host, and working with the tech team and production team in our tech booth. So we will gather in the sanctuary during those times, and then we'll spin off to a bit of training and instruction on how those things will happen in our current paradigm. Training session August 11th. Then the next Sunday, which is actually the third Sunday in August, the 18th, that's our annual voters meeting. It includes things like how's our current fiscal and planning year ending, an adoption of budget for the next fiscal year, election of officers, and ministry reports. What are some overviews on what's going on, church and school enrollment and themes, and with all of that. That's August 18th. Then the final Sunday in August, August 25th, is going to be an information session about the Germany trip that Pastor Joel and I are hosting that I introduced last weekend, called a Reformation Heritage Trip. We'll be walking through a lot of the elements and places of the Reformation, literally standing and seeing the places. What happened in Wittenberg or in Augsburg, or where did Luther translate the Bible, and revisit some of those things that are part of our Lutheran heritage, but part of our Christian heritage. That is August 25th. All of those things are starting at 9:30 in the sanctuary during our discipleship hour. God's blessings be with y'all.